Unlocking the secrets of ratios and proportions. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of ratios and proportions. We'll break it down and make it simple, ensuring you're well prepared for those GMAT and GRE math questions. Remember, understanding the basics is the key, and that's exactly what we're about to do. Ratios and proportions form the core of many word problems, so let's get started. A ratio is a way to compare two or more quantities. It tells us how much of one quantity exists in relation to another. Think of it like this. If you have 3 apples and 2 oranges, the ratio of apples to oranges is 3 to 2. Note, ratios can be written in different ways. 3 to 2, 3 to 2, or 32, frac. 3, 2, 23. Ratios don't tell you the total amount, but rather how the quantities relate to each other. If someone says they have a 2-to-1 ratio of socks to shoes, they might have 2 socks and 1 shoe, or 20 socks and 10 shoes. The quantities differ, but the relationship remains the same. A proportion is an equation that states 2 ratios are equivalent. If you remember fractions from school, you're in luck, because proportions are closely related. For instance, if half of a class is female and the other half is male, we could represent the ratio of females to the total as 1 to 2. Likewise, if a different class has 10 females and 20 students in total, the ratio remains 1 to 2. Here's the magical part. 12, frac. 1, 2, 21 equals 1020, frac. 10, 20. 2010 is a proportion. Cross multiplication is a popular method to solve proportions. If ab, frac. A, B, ba equals CD, frac. C, D, DC, then A times da times D equals B times CB times CB times C. When tackling word problems, it's essential to extract the relevant information and frame it in terms of ratios or proportions. Imagine a problem says, in a basket, the ratio of red to green apples is 4 to 3. If there are 12 green apples, how many red apples are there? Using proportions, you'd set it up like 4 red apples, 3 green apples, frac. 4 red apples, 3 green apples, 3 green apples, 4 red apples, equals X, unknown number of red apples, 12, known number of green apples, frac. X, unknown number of red apples, 12, known number of green apples, 12, known number of green apples, X, unknown number of red apples. By cross-multiplying, you can easily find X, which would represent the number of red apples. And there you have it. Ratios and proportions might sound intimidating at first, but with a clear understanding and some practice, you'll master them in no time. Remember, it's all about understanding the relationship between quantities and leveraging that knowledge to solve problems. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you the best in your GMAT and GRE preparations.